Graco's Turbo Go Folding Backless Booster folds compactly to go where you go. It easily folds for portability and storage. It's lightweight and compact to carry on the go, and helps safely transport your big kid from 4 to 10 years old and 40 to 100 pounds. The integrated seatbelt guides help properly position the vehicle's seatbelt across your child. The shoulder belt positioner makes buckling up easy and properly positions your vehicle's seatbelt across your child, while the seat pad is comfortable and machine washable. Graco's commitment to car seat safety starts with safe seat engineering. The Graco Turbo Go has been engineered and rigorously crash tested to meet or exceed U.S. safety standard FMV SS 213 and tested to extreme car interior temperatures. The Graco Turbo Go Folding Backless Booster. Portable, safety on the go for children 4 to 10 years old and 40 to 100 pounds.